Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to talk about a feature in Windows 8. And basically this is a feature that was started in Windows Vista and slowly was implemented, and people were depending on the way you use your computer when you go into your file explorer or when you're going through the folders, they took out something that's called file extensions. Now, if you're an old-time Windows user, you probably remember the time that you were going through your files and looking for a doc file for a Word, or you were thinking, okay, I got pictures, these are JPEG, and you could see the file extension was there, you could see it was JPEG, you could see it was .doc or .xls for Excel, or .pdf. Starting in Windows Vista, they kind of took that away, and instead of using file extensions, they started using icons that look like the program that is used to make it work. So for example, if I go in my file explorer here and I click on documents, you could see that depending on the different formats that I have in my computer, you could see that it has a name and it has the icon that looks like whatever you want to open in your computer. So what happened here is that it's cool for most people, because a lot of people actually see that as okay, well, this is a PDF. They might recognize the icon, but if the icons tell you nothing, then you're wondering, what's that? Is that a program? What is it exactly? And depending on how you have your file set up, you might actually see the type of file. Here in my Explorer, you can see that on the right side there's a column that's called type, and there you can see PDF, VLC media file, PDF, and MP4, PNG, whatever. It does tell you what type of file it is, but you don't have that file. For example, here I have a doc file, Security News August 8th. It doesn't say Security News August 8, 2013 .doc. So you don't have the little three-letter file extension next to the file name. And sometimes, depending on how you view your files, it might be cool to have that along. So how do you bring it back? Simply go to your charms bar on the right side of the screen, either by swiping or going into the corners if you don't have a touch device. Click search and type extension, the first letters of extension. Click settings, and you'll see there's one option that's called show or hide file extensions. If you click that, it gives you the file and folder options on your computer. Now, if you look in that list, you will see something called right here somewhere. You will have a little check mark that says hide extensions for known file type. This is what hides the extensions in your files. If you take that out, hide extensions for known file types, and click apply, you now have your file names. And if you look at my files, now they all support whatever file extension it has. So it says PDF. If I look at all the files here, you see now .flv, .txt, .mp4, .png. My doc file, my Word file now says .docx, which is the new file format for Word. So all the file extensions are there. And for some people that's important, because icons don't necessarily mean anything to them. So this is one of the questions that I've been asked a lot. How can I view the file extension? How can I see that it's a JPEG or a PDF? So here you are. Just go into, once again, Charms bar, you search for extensions, go into the settings, click show or hide file extensions, and just go to that little section that says hide extensions for known file types. It's by default on, which means that all of the known file types are not showing their extensions in the file name as they were before. And of course, if you have these extensions and they're kind of more annoying than anything else for you, and you just want to have the icon, for example, I know what the icons mean, so I don't really need anything else in that, then just put the little check mark back on hide extensions from known file types, click apply, and you'll see that it's really cool and works really well starting from there. So this is pretty nice. It's a cool little way of really understanding how to use these file types on your computer and how to show the extensions and the file types on your computer. So if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. We'll try to answer any questions. If you have any maybe a feature of Windows you'd like us to talk about, let us know. We will try to put that video online. And if you have that new device with Windows 8 and you're wondering how to use it, how to just enjoy Windows 8 to the maximum, well, you just look at our different videos we already have online and hope that you enjoy our videos. So thanks for watching. Hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.